Hello and welcome back to Financial Flagship. My name is Alex and I hope all of you had a great trading week so far. In this video, we're gonna go through all the analysis for the upcoming week on the Forex and commodity market. Also, keep watching till the end as you may be interested in the latest cryptocurrency news and trends. Let's start off with EURUSD. In our previous analysis, we correctly forecasted that EURUSD will start a bearish move that would act as a consolidation for the daily uptrend. For this week, we expect the price to make a pullback underneath the trend line and fall towards the support level. Another option is that we may break the top again. This might happen if we break the orange trend line and make a consolidation above it. Keep an eye on Thursday's European Central Bank interest rate decision, as it may heavily impact the pair. Moving on to Pound USD. In our previous analysis for this pair, we correctly anticipated a new top and the bearish move that followed. For this week, we incline towards a bearish move that will test the support area highlighted on the chart. There is a chance that this move might happen after we break the top one more time. However, our focus will be on the sell setups. For dollar yen, in our previous outlook, we correctly anticipated that it will make a small pullback and test the resistance area. For next week, we expect the price to fall into a consolidation that can push the price towards the blue trend line. From there, we will study the price action and decide if we will continue the bearish momentum or make one more top. Keep in mind that we are in the middle of a corrective B wave and this might get a bit messy. Let's hop on to Aussie USD. Last week, we were expecting the Australian dollar to reach the resistance level highlighted on the chart. Instead, the price gained some bearish momentum and made an unsuccessful attempt to break the support level. In the coming week, we expect the price to begin a bullish move that will test the resistance area highlighted on the chart. Let's move on to USD CAD. The pair looks like it is making a complex consolidation pattern for more bearish continuation. For this week, we expect a breakout from the blue rectangle that can push the price towards the resistance area. After this move is completed, we expect the price to fall and break the weekly support. The trigger for the bullish move inside the correction could be the Bank of Canada interest rate decision that will take place on Wednesday. Our advice is to be cautious and avoid trading this pair for now, as nothing is clear. Guys, if you ever want to track our weekly analysis, head over to our website, choose the market that you're interested in, from Forex, commodities, stock market, crypto, and select the analysis week that you prefer. After that, just by clicking this button here, you can verify how our analysis is performing for every pair that we are researching. This will take you to our TradingView profile, where every analysis is recorded in real time. Also, if you're interested in educational materials, follow us on TradingView and stay up to date with the latest technical and fundamental trends. Okay, now let's head back to our charts and see how did gold perform last week. In our previous forecast, we correctly anticipated that gold will start a pullback towards the support area. Our forecast for this week is that gold will break the top once more. Moving on to silver. Our previous forecast for silver came true, as we anticipated the bearish move that took place last week. In the coming days, we expect the price to break the orange trend line and make a new top. Don't forget that we are in a strong weekly bullish trend, and in the medium term to long term, we expect the price to reach the $50 psychological level. Also, if you've missed our latest educational post about silver, you can check it out on our TradingView page, where we invite you to follow us in order to benefit from more educational content. Now let's have a look at US oil. Last week, US crude oil increased and made a new top. In the coming days, we are expecting the price to lose momentum and start a bearish pullback. We will wait for a trendline breakout followed by a small flag to act as our confirmation. If not, the pair could continue and rise slowly. Moving on to natural gas. In our last forecast, we were expecting natural gas to correct and reach the support level. Instead, the price continued to consolidate despite our bearish expectations. In the coming week, we expect the price to become bearish and fall towards the support level as the structure hasn't changed yet. This might happen after we reach the top one more time. For copper, in our previous analysis, we expected the price to resume the bullish trend. Instead, it started to fall, reaching the support area. In this context, we expect the price to make another attempt and break the top. We will wait for a trendline breakout and a small pullback to act as a confirmation. Now let's head over to the crypto market and start off with Bitcoin. Bitcoin's price dropped on Friday morning after Elon Musk tweeted that he's fallen out of love with the world's most popular cryptocurrency. With the hashtag Bitcoin and a broken heart emoji, the billionaire Tesla CEO posted a joke about a couple breaking up over the male partner, referencing Linkin Park lyrics. Technically, Bitcoin is still moving inside the area created a few weeks ago by the support and resistance boxes marked on the chart. While keeping in mind that we are in a downtrend, we give a higher probability for a move to retest the support or break it, while not totally excluding a retest of the resistance. For us to be convinced of a reversal of the trend, we must at least break the resistance and study the price action to see if it gives us bullish continuation signs. Let's move on to XRP. Billionaire Mark Cuban has joined the core of critics of the US Securities and Exchange Commission in his recent tweet. The Shark Tank host has slammed former SEC attorney John Reed Stark for having absolutely no understanding of crypto. Cuban says that crypto will continue to positively impact businesses more than the regulator. From a technical perspective, the 4-hour structure that XRP is making is one that has a higher probability of a bearish continuation rather than a reversal. We have a higher conviction for a bearish move, although we are not excluding a retest of the resistance area at $1.30. We advise caution on this pair. On Ethereum, New York-based office developer firm KPG Funds now allows its tenants to pay their rent in Bitcoin and Ethereum, Commercial Observer reports. According to CEO Greg Krot, the new payment option was introduced after numerous consumers indicated interest in it. From a technical perspective, Ethereum is near the resistance area of $3,000. Here we have two working scenarios for the short term. The first one, that has a higher probability, is a bearish move to continue the trend and reach at least the small support area marked on the chart. The second one is a push to the upside and touch the resistance area once again. Moving on to Litecoin. HelloPal, a Vancouver-based producer of phrasebooks and real-time translations apps, has acquired the startup, bringing it direct exposure to cryptocurrency. CryptoPal was acquired for the low cost of $3.5 million, according to HelloPal, including $1.5 million in cash and $1.8 million in common shares plus warrants. The firm acquired was specialized in mining Litecoin and Dogecoin. Technically, for this pair, we see a higher probability for a continuation to the downside rather than a trend reversal. Although an up move to touch the resistance area is not excluded, we believe it has a lower probability of happening compared to the bearish move. Our coin of the week is Algorand. Silvio Micali is the founder of Algorand and a professor of computer science at the Massachusetts Institute of Technology. For his important contribution to the theory and practice of secure two-party computation, electronic payments, cryptocurrencies, and blockchain protocols, he received the Turing Award in 2012. As a result, he is considered one of the world's leading cryptographic innovators. In response to the long transaction speeds of Bitcoin and other blockchains, Algorand was created to speed up transaction and enhance efficiency. Because Algorand is built on a permissionless pure proof-of-stake blockchain system, it has a very cheap transaction fees and no mining, unlike Bitcoin's energy-intensive operation. From a technical perspective, Algorand was in an uptrend until it hit $1.84 in February 2021. From that top, it's in a weekly consolidation that will prepare the next bullish wave. If we look on the smaller time frames, on the 4 hours, We see a low created at 67 cents and afterwards an ascending channel marked with blue on the chart. We expect that the price action will continue to make new lows and highs inside the channel until it will break out in one direction. The higher probability now is a bearish move and then a bullish move again inside the channel. And that should be all for this week. If you guys found this video helpful, we will be grateful if you hit that like button below, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel. See all of you next Saturday. I wish all of you a profitable trading week, and until then, trade with care and thanks for watching.